Let me tell you, this microwave drawer has been such a great addition to our kitchen. I honestly didn't realize how much I would love having it right underneath our ovens. First off, it's quiet, like literally quiet. There's a silent mode on it that keeps the kitchen peaceful, no loud beeping or slamming doors. The one-touch auto door is probably my favorite feature on this microwave. You just press a button and the drawer glides open or closed. It's super smooth and easy and honestly makes it feel so high-end. It has 11 different power levels and runs at 1,000 watts, so you get a ton of control whether you're reheating leftovers, defrosting meat, or even cooking something from scratch. I've had perfectly warmed meals every time, no weird cold spots in the middle. Probably one of our most used features of this microwave is the start with 30 seconds, so you just simply press it like 1, 2, 3, and it gives you 90 seconds. This microwave measures at 1.2 cubic foot capacity, but it is so roomy. Like I have fit everything from big dinner plates, or I'll even stick like a casserole dish in there just to use it as like a warming drawer. And the cleaning is so easy too. The inside wipes down fast and the sleek exterior always looks polished. Plus, it's out of the way, so less clutter on the counter and more room for meal prep.